Well, tomorrow
Well,
is
tomorrow,
Saturday.
yeah. I can
Girls'
still do
night.
it. Girls' night. I was like, ah! Chloe's here. And she brought me flowers. We're just decorating it. Wow. That was perfect.
This is not aesthetic. The
cat, yeah.
we are crafting. I'm so tired.
I know. That's good. That means you have good sleep, right?
But this also means we have to wake up on time.
Let's try to like be quick with these. That's a good idea.
I think you're just tired.
So cute. Actually, it's probably today because it's already 12:03 right now. We're going on a trip tomorrow. I still need to do a little bit of work while I'm there. So I'm bringing my laptop. I might study there too. We'll see.
One of us is late. Either they're late or we're late.
What'd you ask them if they're here?
I was asking where to actually meet.
We're here! I don't even know what I'm looking at.
I can't see. The sun is like.
It's okay. Just all the cars. I think something fell down here.
Wait.
We're gonna get it.
It's gotta be open.
Okay. The spread. I think the lighting's too low.
Maybe a little bit for aesthetic.
We're watching the eclipse. I'm late. Hello. I'm about to head up to a new cafe. I got sunburned a few days ago and now it kind of turned into like a contour type thing. I think it's going away. I think I'm slowly transitioning back to matter shades. Okay.
Let's talk ASAP, baby. Hurry up, don't be lazy. ASAP.
I wanted to try a new bakery. I want to show like bakeries around Georgia. So this one's called Soon's Bakery and Cafe. So I'm just like kind of here by myself. I stayed there for like 3.5 hours. Wait, is it? 6:40 right now. That's 4 hours. Wait a minute. I honestly cannot do like long like periods of work. I guess I just like can't sit down. I was thinking about going to Target, but I was like, no way. I'm literally so tired. Okay, let's go. I forgot to get nachos. Oh, it's so soft. Bye, berry. I get that.
What even is it?
This is the matcha I'm gonna be using today. Oh! I put too much! I have an exam tomorrow and I'm just studying for it. I made a matcha latte, which is a bit different because usually I just have like matcha and water, but this is nice for a change. Hello. I just took an exam a while ago and I finished some classwork. I'm gonna get some pastries. We're finally taxes and I think we need a good snack. I also need to get some groceries too because I want to bake some stuff. So, oh, and also my mom is going, so I'm just gonna wait for her. What do you call this stuff? Sensory.
Slime.
Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. I think it smells good. I think. Whoa. It's been 24 hours? Maybe a little less. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Need help me? There you go. Oh, nice. Oh, there's someone kayaking. I waited so long for this cheesecake. Let's try. It's very decadent. I feel like you only need like a little slice. Also, some notes. I added 54 more grams of sugar. Only use Philadelphia cream cheese. I feel like anytime I like explore out of that, I'm always disappointed. This brand I use is pretty sour. And it's also very hard.
We're opening Sweetheart is like, I don't even know what they're called. Surprise cups. Yeah. Should get it. Yeah. Oh my god. I'm kind of slow. No! Oh my god! Oh my god, no way!
Adding to the bear collection.
Look at all these bears.
No! Finally, all my luck has been used.
They're all sweaty.
Alex broke my ankle. I need to get the whole box of cookies to compensate for that.
Hey vlog!
Let's try it. There's the ball. Oh, needs a little kickstart. Oh, Needs a little momentum. Oh wow, that's so cool. I think this is the first time I've ever had to edit like 3 hours worth of footage. There's probably been a time where it's been more than that, but like from like my current memory, this is like 3 hours of footage. I also feel like this is like the first time like where I've been more involved in like university activities and stuff, but I'm always an introvert at heart. I need my time. It's nice to find a good group of people, but it's also I also need my introvert time. So but I think I'm getting a good balance. I will see you next week. Have a good day. Bye.
Like Miffy, it's
Okay, it's like off-brand Miffy. Chocolate. Let's just get that. These are so good.
Especially Valentine's week, the guys forget to get their girlfriend's bouquets last minute. Oh, that sounds like a human barking.
Does she? Sometimes I look at her and I'm like, you kind of look like a human.
Bob, I swear, he's not a dog. He stands up too long and I'm like, that's not dog behavior.
Stands up.
Min is like, you have to be here.
He's like a dad.
If you don't see me on the ground, then I'm okay.
I'm a high, like a feeling, I'm a talk like bubbly, I'm really say darling. Cause I'm too spicy for your life.
Oh, did you change the one for the flowers?
Yeah, I did. They're already like.
I think it's like tulips don't last that long.
I didn't realize how like short life they have.
Oh. Blueberry.